Bago ako matulog, ito ay isang kantang request. You are you're everything that I've been looking for, and I look into your eyes and I could not ask for more. So it's only fair to lay it on the line. Hold on, I'm gonna need a little time. But if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when it's broken heart can end, and it's gonna be with you. I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, scared isn't start to fly such a long way down. Yeah, it just chosen me. I'm sure I'll come around. Try to let someone inside. I'm ready now to try. So if I ever fall in love again, sometimes when this broken heart can mend, it's gonna be with you. You don't want to hold me true, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, I'd be a fool to ever let you go. You're the best thing in my life, when I know it's gonna take it slow. Bago ako matulog, kinanta ko muna yung request. Gusto ko yung kapanta ko. Oh, I should have been with you. You don't want to pull me through, though I don't know when. If I ever fall in love again, kasi naman ang kinuha ng Bones, ang laki kay Apple, more than 100 cm milyones na ubos ni M. Ayun, namamatay na si M.